In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a client billing proposal. You'd only create your client billing proposal if you've successfully got a client and you've successfully created your job as well. Once you've got all that information, then you can bill your client. Just give it a few minutes to open up. There is a lot of data on EBIS, so it does take a few moments. You would then click on Add. You can choose the job number, name of the client, description, or you can put in the billing client name. You don't always have to put the full job number in. If you actually hold down the tab key and press ***, in between those two stars, if you type in your your job number and hit the return key, you will see that it will bring up your job that you've created. Otherwise, you can just type in the full job number. Click on the blue job number hyperlink and it will take you into your header details of what you will be invoicing. So you can see here we're invoicing Nationwide Building Society. It tells you the job number, and as you can see here, it's pulling in the credentials what have been put on that job registration. You have 4 types of invoices that you can raise. You have disbursement detail, where you've got a purchase invoice that has come in that we need to pay a particular supplier, and what's happened is instead of it going to an overhead, it's been registered to the job instead and you need to bill it. You've also got consolidated disbursements as well. So if you've got quite a few sub-jobs where your lead job is HQ, which is CC, it would pull in all those sub-jobs as well that have got disbursements against it. Then you've got fee including disbursements, so there's going to be a surveyor fee or possibly an additional fee. And then you have fee only. There will be a little Word document available with these different types of formats which explain it in further detail for you if you need to look. That will be under the frequently asked questions. So, as this is my test job, I'm just going to choose fee only. Then you click onto your narrative. Now, your narrative is basically, you're explaining to the client what exactly you are billing. I mean, the way I would start off a narrative is on the first line, I would do the site, and I'll just say shard of glass again, and then works carried out, and then you can put fee or whatever other details you require. If you were choosing a disbursement detail, you'd see aprons underneath here. I mean, it shows you under type, but you would see aprons that are available to pick up for disbursements. With the additional tab, it's just an additional fee. I mean, because some things are VAT free, like planning applications, they're outside the scope. But as we are a VAT registered company, we can charge standard VAT. If, however, it is an insurance, where insurance is actually 0 rated, that will be created as a manual invoice where the templates are available within Flash under the Finance tab. But if you are adding an additional fee, you click on Add, then you choose your disbursement type. So it could be taxi, train fare, subsistence, if there was a client meeting that you were charging back some of the costs. Just choose whatever disbursement type it is, put the value in. We know that train fare is 0 rated, but again, as we are a VAT registered company, we can charge standard, and click on save and it will put it in here. This description box, you can amend that to whatever you like. So you can put that as consultancy or whatever detail it is, or you can actually say where the train journey was from. It's completely up to you. Then you've got a fee tab. It will automatically bring in whoever the lead surveyor is of that particular project. So say for example, Chris Berry, he was getting say £1,000. Type in the value. If it's still an industrial consultancy, you'd leave that fee code, or just click on fee and recheck whatever one you wish it to be. So if I just say investment sales for a minute, and then click on save, and it will put the details in there. If you have several surveyors that are all actually going to be getting a proportion of the fee, just press copy, change over the fee code, click on surveyor box, and then you'll get a list of surveyors that are available for you to charge to. So we'll say Tim Shaw for a minute, and then maybe say he's only getting the £500, and then save it. Please ensure there are no zero lines in either the fee or the additional box. It can lead to the invoice being corrupted. Once you have chosen all your correct details, where the fee splits are going to, your best thing to do is click print draft invoice. When you click print draft invoice, it will then be emailed through to you on your email account. Then you'll be able to view it, show it to your surveyor. If you need to make any details, it will still be sitting in your client proposal entry stage. If you are completely happy with this invoice, you'd then click create invoice, and it says final invoice will be produced for this billing proposal. Do you wish to proceed? Yes, you do. So you press OK. That will then give it a few minutes, and it will generate that invoice to you, and again be emailed across with a billing proposal number, so an ARINV number, which stands for Accounts Receivable Invoice, and then you can send that out to the client. Once you are happy with that proposal, that's basically all you do. I mean, it will give you a Word document and an Excel document, so it shows you where you've split any of your fees, and then you can send both items out to the customer or just the Word document.